Hey guys, this is BM and today, ang pag-uusapan natin guys is kung magkano nga ba yung napafarm natin na crons per day dito kay Rohan 2 Global. Anyway guys, kung bago pa lang kayo sa ating YouTube channel mag-subscribe na kayo and i-hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Rohan 2 Global. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol. No? So today, pag-usapan natin kung ilang crons nga ba yung napafarm ng level 103 character na merong level 90 set dito kay Rohan 2 Global. As you can see on the screen guys, bumili tayo ng character. So may nag-offer kasi sa atin na barkada ni researcher and since magkikwit na daw siya sa Rohan 2, binenta niya na tong character na to sa atin ng mura. But anyway guys, this character has a level 90 set. So ito yung isa sa mga gusto kong maintindihan nyo din that this character is already geared up for farming. So naka-ready na siya guys. So kailangan nyo kasi guys i-consider yung set ng character nyo para at least hindi kayo namamatay or pwede kayong mag-AFK sa mga areas na katulad nito. Seeing this one, kumbaga pile of mobs yun guys So dapat kailangan yung character nyo is talagang geared up na para hindi kayo mamamatay sa mga ganitong klase ng spots. Okay? Now, pag-usapan natin guys yung cron acquisition natin na napo-farm in a daily basis. Okay? Based sa na-farm natin yesterday. So, nag-start ako ng farming guys around 10 PM ng gabi. Okay, 10 PM ko siya nabuksan kasi binili ko siya mga around 8 PM. Tapos gumawa pa tayo ng content sa other cross-wave campaigns. So, technically, nabuksan ko na siya medyo late na, around 10 PM na. So far, ang na-farm natin in total is around 34 million na dapat. Okay, kasi nag-repots tayo, bumili tayo ng pots ngayon. Okay, this is worth around 2 million tapos ito nasa 1.2. So if we add it here, nasa 30 million and or 34 million na yung total na na-farm natin to be exact. Okay? Now, here's the thing guys, no? Kanina, wala pa tayong premium subscription nung nag-farm tayo. So, we'll definitely add 10% to the cron acquisition as well doon sa total na mako-compute natin. Okay? So let's say for example, we were able to farm 34 million. So when this account was actually given to me, okay, nung binili ko tong account na to, meron na tong 14M. So technically, ang total na cron talaga natin, if we will deduct the 14M coming from the previous owner, okay, is meron tayong 20M. Okay? So itong 20M na na-farm natin within this map, okay, i-divide natin to guys sa 14 hours. So let's say for example ito, divide natin sa 14 hours. So technically ito yung napafarm natin hourly. Take note na wala pa yung 10% na cron acquisition trade as a premium subscription, no? Meron kasi dito guys na additional na 10% guys kapag naka-premium kayo or yung character is naka-premium. So we're going to add 10% from this kasi this is gonna be our hourly rate pagdating sa pagpa-farm ng cron dito sa Rohan 2. So, ta-times natin ito ng 0.10. So, yan. Tapos, i-add natin tong 1.4. So, plus 1.4. So, 14285. 142,857, 1.428. So, yan. So, technically, ito yung napafarm natin per hour. Okay? So, kasama na yung cron acquisition rate na 10%. Okay? So, let's say for example, guys. Let's say for example lang naman, no? So, 1.5, multiply natin to sa 24 hours. Okay? So, meron tayong napafarm na 37 million sa loob ng isang araw. Okay? So, level 103 na yung character natin. Ito na yung napafarm natin. To compare sa napafarm ni Research is somehow mas mababa to. Okay? Kasi yung spot ni Research is different. So, mas malaki yung cron na nakukuha niya. But anyway, 37M na cron in a daily basis is not bad. Okay? Hindi lang masama yan. Ngayon, if you're going to multiply this, let's say for example, may 37M kayo, di ba? So, multiply natin to by 30 days. So meron tayong 1.1 billion na crons. Okay? Eh, ang presyo ng crons, guys, is around 1 million is equivalent to 5 rubies or 6 rubies. Depende sa rate guys, kasi nagbabago-bago yan. But anyway, guys, kung pupunta tayo sa cron trade, kung mapapansin nyo dito, okay? Kung mapapansin nyo dito sa cron trade, medyo mababa yung presyo niya. Pero kapag magsisell kayo, guys, do not sell in a market rate kasi barat tong presyo na to. Okay? Mababa to, guys. So, lagi kayong magbe-base sa previous price ng cron to ruby. So, let's say for example, ito, kahapon or on the 21st, ang rate is 8.90. Pero yesterday, guys, yung previous day, I think the lowest was around 6.18 rubies per 1 million cron. So, sabihin na lang natin 6 rubies na lang. Okay? So, let's say for example, ganun. So, ito guys, ngayon, i-divide natin to sa 1 million. Divide by 1 million. Okay? So, meron tayong 1,131 na possible na conversion dito. Kasi 1.1. So, technically, i-multiply natin to by 5. Let's say 5 pesos natin binenta or 6. Kasi yun yung medyo malapit-lapit sa previous day price. So, meron tayong 6,788 na rubies. Okay, this is in rubies na guys. Okay, naka-ruby na siya na conversion. Now, kung i-check natin yung presyo ngayon ng Ruby X sa market. So, ang presyo ng Ruby X guys is around 0.0137 USD. Okay? Now, if we compute it guys, let's say for example, ito, balik tayo. Okay? So, let's say, kino-compute natin is times natin to ng 0.0137 USD. So, meron tayong $93 per month na napafarm dito sa game na to. Okay? So, $93 multiplied by 60. So far, meron tayong around 5.5 K in PHP. Okay? So, this is still going to change if in any case na bumaba or tumaas yung presyo ng cron na napafarm natin dito sa game na to. But at least, I'm giving you the idea, okay, kung magkano yung total cron na napafarm ng isang level 103 character na merong level 90 set. Now, I hope magkaroon kayo ng understanding in terms of, of course, the risk and at the same time, in terms of the cost na nagastos natin dito. So, I think during our first month, makaka-ROI tayo and meron tayong konting profit. Okay, so let's say for example, nabili natin kasi itong account na to, nasa 2,000 pesos. So, minus 2K, tapos minus yung subscription na 1,1. So, profit natin is 2,4. Okay? Now, in a monthly basis, kung nakakapag 5,580 tayo, so 5,580, minus natin yung subscription na 1.1K, meron tayong 4.4 K per account to, isang account lang to. And remember na may pinapa-level pa tayo ng mga accounts, which is level 83 na yung isa, tapos yung isa naman is level 81. So, ang gagawin ko dun guys is of course, bibihisan din natin yon. May pwede naman tayong ipamana na set na galing dito sa account na to. So, basically, pwedeng ma-triple or double yung income natin dito sa Rohan to Global. So, I hope you get the idea, guys. And again, thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. Hopefully, pumaldo kayo this 2026. And kita-kits tayo, guys, sa next video natin. Update ko kayo naman dun sa progress ng mga level 80 plus characters natin dito sa Rohan to Global. Yun lang, guys. And alam nyo na, this is BM and peace out.